So in this video we will take a look how to add the line items which have been overtaken and submitted by the customer also to the packing slip. So by default this is not included since the packing slip printer will not recognize it, so we have to do the following. First of all, we go to apps, we go to our textbox Textify app. It will open up and on the left side we will see the section snippets. I will click on that. Then the snippet section will open up. We can see here show content on the packing slip. We will copy it, whether we can mark it or we can just tick the copy icon, and I've just used the copy icon in the second. Now we will go further. We go to settings. We go to shipping and delivery. We scroll all the way down until we see packing slips. I will click on that. Now the editor will open up. I will recommend to pick one time inside, then to click Command F, it's on Met like that, to open up this search functionality. And here I would recommend to enter variant. You would click enter. And you can see here there are two results. We have one time it and the second time the variant. So now we always try to go to the next end. If after the last variant we see span ender, and here I recommend to make some space. That it's easier and we don't get confused. And here we just paste the code which we copied from the snippet section. Now we just have to click the save button. So let's do that. We will click save. And now we can see packing slip template saved. Now we can return to orders. We can open up our order and we can now print the packing slip. Let's do that. The packing slip is being generated. And here we can see now successfully that the content was overtaken and it's now easy to have everything visible at one glance.